Hey, for anybody watching this, thanks for coming to thedigitalsign.com. Who we are is we're a company called ENS. We own thedigitalsign.com along with a bunch of other assets to do with digital signage, including this. We built SAM, which is the Sign Administration and Management System used for doing large-scale digital sign deployments. In very simple terms, there's a little computer about the size of a chocolate bar called a SAM stick. This hardware device got Tom's Guide Best PC Stick you can buy a couple of years in the running. And we highly recommend you get a little female-to-female little HDMI adapter so you can plug in an HDMI cable and do a network drop if you possibly can. We can send you this little 3D printed orange thing, so later when you need your digital sign computer supported, you can tell people, hey, look for the orange thing, pop this out, replace it. You can see there's a SAM stick with the network cable, female-to-female little HDMI adapter, and then plugged into the screen to HDMI. Pretty simple, right?
Mm-hmm.
We've done over 3,000 deployments. We've done nationwide rollouts, and people mess this very simple stuff up, and we ourselves have learned the hard way that these are very specific things that you need to do it right, such as try to get recessed power receptacle if you can, network cabling in behind, do a tilt bracket if you possibly can to give yourself a little bit room later for servicing things. Grab yourself a little power supply, a little pigtail here that goes so you have an extra power plug-in. Lots of times when you're doing retrofits, you need to have just another plug-in for the power, especially the wall warts usually won't plug into this recessed kind of receptacle. So let's do a video here really quick just to show you the whole thing. You can get in and out of a building super fast if you do this. Have the little mini PC tucked in behind. See there, you can pop it off and pop a new one back in, that easy and quick. That's how we service these in the field with our clients. When they have an issue, we can pop off the one SAM stick, pop another one back in. This makes it also easy for the install. You see here, this is myself and actually one of our clients. This is Ian from Barb's Fish and Chips in British Columbia, Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. And this is his own business. He uses this for digital signage there. You can see we're popping it up on the wall on a tilt bracket that everything is there nicely put in place in advance. So think about how you're going to put power before you put up the screens. Ask the question, is the power reasonably accessible? Is the networking reasonably accessible? Have you done a tilt bracket so you can service everything later? And then let's do another video here. This is the afterwards there. You can see we're setting up the 3 screens. Make sure it's on the right input, connected to the internet, and then you hand it over to a fellow like Arvi here. Arvi, fill up. He's in the call center in the southern tip of the Philippines. This man has done hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of designs for high-end brands. He's, household brands you'd recognize. This is the man, the myth, the legend that's actually behind the scenes doing the graphic design layout for some of the content for some of these clients. So we're here, we're very real people. If you want to talk to experts at digital signage that have been doing thousands and thousands of rollouts, give us a shout. Thank you for your time.